Assalamualaikum. So in this video I will solve some past paper questions of percentages of IGCSE. So let's start. Okay. So question number 1, write 26 gram as a percentage of 280 gram. First of all, we have to check their units. Their units are same. So we can easily solve this question. So in these type of questions, what we have to do, write 26 gram as a percentage of 208 grams. It means we have to write it 26 over 208 multiplied by 100. So this is the way how you have to write it. 26 gram as a percentage of 200 means 2208 will be in the denominator and multiply by 100 because we have to write it as a percentage. For percentage we will multiply it with 100. So we will simplify it. To the 4 to 5 the 10 to the 4 to 2 the 4 6 the 12 to 2 the 4 to 5 the 10 13 1 the 13 13 2 the 26 25 over 2 that is 12.5 is the final answer. Question number 2, Malik buys a computer for $420. He sells it at a loss of 15%. Calculate the selling price of this computer. So as I told you, if percentage will be included in your question, so simply you have to make the table. So 100, first of all, you will write here before, after, percentage and 100. So buys a computer for okay, dollars we have to find, calculate the selling price we have to find. So it means that Mike buys a computer for $420. He sells it at a loss of 15 percentage. So we have to find the selling price of this computer. So what we have to do, we have to write here 420 was the price before, and after price we have to find, selling price we have to find. So it's you can say cost price, so you have to write it in before. He sells it a loss of 15%. Second thing, what we have to decide, that we have to add 15% and or subtract. So as I told you, in loss we have to subtract it. So we will subtract 15 and we will get 100 minus 15 is equal to 85. So this is the way how we will fill these boxes. Simple. Next, cross multiplication, and 85 will be multiplied with 420, 35700, and x is equal to 357. So final answer is 357. So next, the cost of a train journey is increased by 6% to a new cost of 153.70. Calculate the original cost of the train journey. So same thing we have to do. Okay, before, after, percentage and 100. So as I told you, if you will see that percentage is included in the question, simple draw these tables, and now we have to fill these boxes. Okay, the cost of a train journey is increased by 6% to a new cost of, okay, actually we have to find the original cost. So 153.70 x we have to find, and but second thing we have to decide that we have to increase or decrease. So question is saying that the cost is increased by 6%, so it means 6 will be added in 100, it will be 106. So actually we have to find the original price. This was the price after increase, you can say a new price. So new price will be, you can you have to write it in after box. So after that, now simple do cross multiplication. 106 is equal to 15370, x is equal to 145. So 145 will be your final answer. Increase 42 by 16% means simple. Also you have to make boxes before, after, percentage, and 100. Okay, so increase 42 by 16%. So increase amount 42 is the before price, after price we have to find, and increase means 16 will be added in 100, so it will be 116. Simple do cross multiplication. 4872, x is equal to, x is equal to 48.72. Okay, this is your final answer. Question number 5. Ahmed increases 40 by 300% from this list. Put a ring around the correct calculation. So this is also a very simple question. If we will solve it, 40 multiplied 4 will be our final answer. So you can write it, you can just circle it. You can make boxes and you can find the answer, and simple you can tally that answer with these you can say answers, and you will get your final one. So question number 6, work out 5% of $25. So work out 5% of, how to write 5% of $25. 5% will be written as 500, 5 over 100. In place of we will write multiply and 25. This is the way how we will write it. So now we will just do simple simplification. 5 2 the 10 0, 5 4 the 25, 5 the 25, 5 by 4 is 1.25. So question number 7, work out 1.20 as a percentage of $16. So as I told you before, 1.20 as a percentage means 16 will be in denominator and multiply by 100. So if you will simplify it, you will put in calculator and you will get your answer. 7.5. The number of passengers on a train increases from 63 to 77. Find the percentage increase. So what is the formula of percentage increase? So we have to find percentage here. So we will just use the formula. So in percentage, as I told you, that if we have to find the percentage, we have to use the formula. And if percentage is given in the question and we have to find any value, then we have to use those boxes. So what formula of percentage increase is increase over original multiplied by 100. So how to find increase? 77 minus 63, that is, if you will subtract it, 77 minus 63, you will get 14. So 14 over original price will be 63. You will use this price as original, multiply by 100. So 14 over 60 multiplied by 100, if we will put it in calculator, you will get your answer 22.2. Next question 9, work out 1.45 as a percentage. Again same question, 1.545 as a percentage means 72.50 will be written in denominator and we will multiply it with 100. So simply put it in calculator, you will get your answer as 2. Simply we have to make boxes here, before and after, and then percentage 100. Okay, so what we have to do here, increase 22. So we have to find amount after increasing. We have to increase 22. We have to write it like here. We have to find the after amount, and increase means 15 will be added in 100. It will be 115. Simply do cross multiplication and you will get your final answer 25.3. So question number 11, Dev makes 600 cakes. 18% of 600 cakes go to the hotel and 2 by 3 of the 600 cakes go to a supermarket. Calculate how many cakes he has left. So this is a simple question. We will find 18% of 600. So how to find 18% of 600? 18%, we have to write 18% as 18 over 100 of 600 means 600, and its answer will be 108. And 2 by 3 of 600 is 400, and total cakes 600 minus 400 minus 108, you will get 92 cakes. Okay, so next question. Question number 12, write 55 as a percentage of 2.2 kg. This is also same question. Their units are different. You can see uh, 55 gram and 2.2 kg. 55, we have to make their units same. So what we will do here, we will simple multiply 2.2 with 1000 to convert it in grams. So 2200 grams. Now we can write it 55 over 2200 multiplied by 100. So first of all, you have to make their units same. You have to check that their units are same or not. So if you will simplify, 2.5 will be your final answer. Okay. So write 450 as a percentage of dollar 680. Both are units are same. 450 over 680 multiply by 100. If you will simplify, you will get your answer. The cost of 1 liter of fuel in May is 215 was 0.88. This was a decrease of 20% on the cost in May 2014. Calculate the cost of 1 liter of fuel in May 2014. So as percentage is given to you, simply you have to make here boxes. Okay, we have to find the cost. So how to fill these boxes? First of all, we have to check that where we have to write this amount. The cost of 1 liter of fuel in May 2015, 14 and 15. So it means 2014 will be written here and this is 2015. So the amount was in 2015. It means we have to write 0.88 here, and this is what we have to find. Now we have to check that we have to increase 20 or decrease. So it is written as decrease. So we will subtract 20 from 100, we will get 80. So now simple do cross multiplication. 80x is equal to 0.88 multiplied by 100 will be 88. X is equal to 1.1. 1.1 will be your final answer. From a sample of 80 batteries, 3 are faulty. Work out the percentage of faulty batteries. We have to find as percentage. Simple use percentage formula. Percentage fault over original multiplied by 100. So there are 3 batteries, faulted batteries. So original is 80 multiplied by 100. So if we will solve it, 3.75 is the answer. So next question, in a sale the cost of a coat is reduced by $85 to 67.50. Calculate the percentage reduction in the cost of the coat. So we have to find percentage reduction. So percentage reduction formula will be used. Reduction over original multiplied by 100. So how to find reduction? By subtracting 67.50 from 85, you will get 17.5 over original is 85 multiplied by 100. Original, or you can say old. So old or original was 85. So if you will put it in calculator, you will get 20.6. So at the beginning of July, Kim had a mass of 63 kg. At the end of July, his mass was 61 kg. Calculate the percentage loss. So here we are going to find percentage loss. So you will use the formula of loss over original old multiplied by 100. So you just have to memorize this one formula. We will just use this formula for profit loss, percentage discount, percentage tax, percentage saving. So for all this we have to just memorize this one formula. No need to memorize different formulas. So percentage loss over original multiplied by 100. So what is the loss? 63 minus 61 will be your loss, that is you can say 2. Our original is 63 multiplied by 100. So the answer will be 3.717. Okay, one day 17250 people attended a football match. Work out 17250 as a percentage. So simple, 17250 over 28750 multiplied by 100. So if you will put it in calculator, you will get 60%. So guys scores 84 marks out of 96 in an examination. Work out his percentage marks. This is also a very simple question. 84 over 96 multiplied by 100. And your answer will be 87.5%. So write 2 by 5 as a percentage. So 2 by 5 as a percentage means you will multiply just it with 100 and you will simplify. 40 will be your final answer. If you are going to write any number as a percentage, simply multiply it with 100. Calculate 60% of 200. Very simple question. 60% means 60 over 100, of means multiply and 200. Simplify and you will get your answer 120. The owner decides to close the cafe at okay. This is a different question. Its previous part is not given in this question, so we cannot solve this question. Okay, so that's it. I have done all similar questions of this page above, so you can take help from those questions as well. So I think you have understand that topic fully. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, any comment, you can leave in comment section. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.